Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to check video insights and analytics in Canvas Studio, a helpful way to see how students are interacting with your videos. From your Canvas dashboard or course navigation, click on Studio. Find the video you want to analyze and click on it to open the video player. Below the video, click on the Insights tab. This section provides detailed analytics about who has watched the video, how long they watched, and which parts they replayed or skipped over. Scroll through the viewer list to see data for each student. You can view their name, the percentage of the video they watched, and specific timestamps where they paused or dropped off. If needed, click the Download CSV button to download a report of viewer activity. This can be especially useful for tracking participation or reviewing engagement trends over time. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to check video insights and analytics in Canvas Studio. We hope this helps you make more informed decisions about your course content and student engagement. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the links below.